Now is the time to create some new bird houses for your feathered friends. Not only will it make the birds happy, but bird houses are a colorful way to decorate your landscaping. Here are 9 unique and creative DIY bird houses that may just inspire you to add some new bird houses to your yard. And you don't have to settle for the plain Jane store-bought bird house, although several of these are made using store-bought houses. This list should help you create a bird house that is unique and represents your style. Did you like this tips? Share this video with your friends and stay connected. And subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more interesting tips. Until that time, thanks for watching this video.